Hey traders, welcome back to another edition of New York Market Analysis hosted by Heat. Just a quick update since the last video. So we started to see some pushes up, which were expected. Not really so much that's visible on the 4-hour for now. After pushing up, we came back down, pushed up, we get a little higher. Came back down, pushed up, swept liquidity, and then coming back down again. If we go on the 15-minute, what you can see is we're creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and right now it looks like a higher low. Potentially this could break through and just go down. I haven't entered any trade today, but I almost entered one on this sweep of the high. The reason why I didn't enter is the price didn't come back to the flip zone. And as it didn't come back to the flip zone, I didn't want to enter anywhere else, and I didn't want to chase it either. But one of my buddies, one of the Black Swan traders, Nico, he actually got in here on a long and took it all the way up to the highs. So that was a very nice trade. But honestly, it wasn't part of my trading plan and what I was looking for. So as of right now, I'm not really sure if I'm going to be trading for the rest of the day. I haven't entered a trade yet, but no real rush to enter trades unless I see something that I like. And plus it's Friday. To be completely honest, I don't have the best luck on Friday. So if I don't see something very nice and clean, I probably just won't enter. But anyways, going back to what I was looking for. So I mentioned before, I would like to see a sweep of this high, which has already been done. And that was the reason why I almost entered a trade here. But to me, it wasn't the most probable setup, mainly because we haven't actually reached a meaningful zone. And when I say a meaningful zone, I'm talking about the supply up here. So there's actually two zones that I have marked. One is a 4-hour supply and one is a 15-minute supply. Either one getting tapped and have a clean reaction with a clear confirmation, lower time frame chalk, then I will probably enter. But otherwise, if I don't see the price come up to here, I probably won't enter today. We do have New York open in 40 minutes from now. We could get a pullback, could mitigate the supply that was created here. Actually here. Could mitigate the supply that was created here. And then after that, come down from there. Or it could do what I'm hoping for, is to break the supply, come up to the upper supply zone, and from there start to give some sort of confirmation to allow for entries to take this down. So anyways, that's my bias for the day. Like I said, I'm short bias today. I just need to see the price get into a meaningful area. Originally, as you know, I wanted to see this high go as well. But like I said, I don't think it's happening today. We've already swept enough liquidity. This level, this inducement has been used up and may already be gone. So unless we see some liquidity building prior to the move, again, I won't enter. So something like this, where we build some liquidity and then use that liquidity creation as inducement, and then some sort of a break, pull back, and then take it down. Something like that would be ultimately what I'd be looking for today. Yes, it could continue up, of course, but honestly, I mean, the way I see the price action, not really expecting that today. Like I said before, this was a very, very aggressive push down. And there's probably institutions that want to keep those positions. So I honestly don't see this high going. I see all of this as internal liquidity used as inducement to come up into the supply zone and then take it down. Anyways, at least that's my point of view. Whether it actually happens or not, I mean, I can't guarantee that that's really what's going to happen. It's just that's how I'm seeing the market for now. And if I don't see a scenario like that play out, I just won't trade today. It's really the only thing I'm looking for. And if I see it, then I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll just take the rest of the day off. But anyways, that's it for me. I hope you have a good trading session during New York. Just a reminder, we do have some news. We do have new home sales coming up. Let's see, 2 hours after New York open. We also have ECB speaking just in a couple of minutes. That could cause some volume and movement in the markets. Hopefully pushing the price to my supply zone that I'm waiting for. But we'll see. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to write them below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And like I said, good luck trading and have a good weekend. Speak to you next week. Cheers.